Hey there, welcome back to Shortcut. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most crucial concepts in computer networking, that is subnetting and CIDR in classless inter-domain routing. If IP addressing is the backbone of networking, then subnetting is the magic that makes it efficient and scalable. Let's get started. Let's see what is IP subnetting. Subnetting is the process of dividing a large network into smaller, manageable subnetworks. It helps optimize IP address allocations and improves network efficiency. Imagine you have a large classroom and need to group students based on their seating arrangements for easier management. Subnetting works similarly in networks, breaking a large IP space into smaller, organized sections. Let's see what is CIDR. CIDR is a method for more flexible IP addresses allocations than the traditional class-based system, represented in slate notation. Example 24 indicates 24 bits for each network. CIDR allows for breaking free from rigid IP classes, giving us more efficient ways to manage IP address spaces. Think of it as the modern, smarter approach to IP allocation. Let's see why subnetting is important. It is efficient IP address utilizations, enhances network performance and reduces traffic, improved security by isolating sections of the network. Subnetting not only saves IP addresses but also helps isolated networks, reducing the risk of data branches and optimizing bandwidth uses. A win-to-win for network administrators. What is the basics of subnet marks? Subnet marks determine which portions of an IP address is the network and which is the host. Example, for IP 192.168.1.0 by 24, the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. A subnet mask is like a guidebook for dividing an IP address into network and host parts. Understanding this is essential for networking and subnetting. Let's see an example of subnetting. You are given an IP range 192.168.1.0 by 24 and need 4 subnets. What are the steps? Determine the subnet marks for 4 subnets by 26. Means 24 plus 2. 4 is represented in binary by 2 bits. So 2 is added to 24. 64 addresses per subnet. Divide the IP range into 4 subnets. Subnet 1 192.168.1.0 to 192.168.1.63. 26 bits are reserved and remaining bits are 32 minus 26 means 6. So, in last octet, the range in between 6 zeros to 6 ones. And for subnet 2, that is 192.168.1.64 to 192.168.1.127. This is for subnet 3 and subnet 4. Subnetting might seem tricky at first, but once you get a hang of the calculations, it's a breeze. Practice this method to sharpen your skills. Let's see a practical applications. Design corporate networks with multiple departments, segmenting traffic to improve security and efficiency, optimizing IP uses in IPSPs. Subnetting is not just a theoretical concept, it's widely applications in real-world scenarios. Whether you are managing a small office network or working in a large enterprise, subnetting is a must-know skill. That's a wrap on subnetting and CIDR. I hope this video helped you understand how these concepts make networking smarter and more efficient. Up next, we will explore IP routing basics, where you will learn how data travels across network. Don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe to ShortGate for more amazing gate preparation content. Until next time, Happy learning and let's crack get together.